Hey Veronica, how are you?
What's up, Cynthia?
Do you have your gift for the Secret Santa gift
Oh,
exchange?
no, I didn't participate in the gift exchange.
What do you mean? I thought we sent out an email.
I typically don't. I've been burned a lot in the past, so I don't participate in them.
Oh, we just really had wanted everyone to participate.
If I'm not mistaken, your email said, if you'd like to participate, bring a gift. That means that if you don't want to participate, don't bring a gift. It didn't say that I was going to have to explain myself.
But we wanted it to be like a fun team building activity, just some office
No,
fun.
you're right. I'm sure it's fun for some people, but the last time I bought some picture frames and some movie tickets, and I got a pair of shoelaces. So, and I think they were regifted shoelaces, if I'm being honest. I don't even think they were new shoelaces, and I only wear chanclas. So
I really wish you would have brought a
well,
gift.
I didn't. So I guess you can go ask the next person if they brought their gift and let me get back to work.